Alright, welcome everyone. Hi, see you again. My name is Mustafa Ramadi. I am a tourist guide in my country, Banda. Alright, today I'm at one of a very nice place. It's like, beach. The name is officially like Jantang. You know that? It's a great Aceh in Banda Aceh. I mean, in great Aceh nowadays. But imagine that this beach, untouched beach or untouched island, and not everybody come here because no one people know that this place is even though after tsunami disaster this place was swept by tsunami disaster there for next time, but not so many people was died at the time. But after tsunami disaster 12 years ago, this place is very beautiful. But after tsunami disaster, my friend, you know that not so many people will come here because not so far away from my city, Banda Aceh, but this is very amazing. Imagine that this is very nice view, beautiful view, and then very nice panorama in around the world, like New Jersey, United States, like United States, like North Carolina, Pennsylvania, many places, you know that. So if you want to come to my country, please visit us. Don't forget me a call. And then I'm going to be tourist guide for you. I'm going to invite you to join me here. This is very kind of strong link here, and then you can swim here. Very awesome, like United States. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Alright, ta-ta for now.